now that we have specified all the parameters of the FBD process, we are now getting ready to specify the actual FBD distribution. Now, in our model, the key thing about the FBD process is that it is our tree prior, meaning it is our prior on the tree topology. So that means that we are not only going to set up the FBD process, but we're going to get the FBD process as a prior distribution on the stochastic node that represents our time-calibrated tree. And so this is what this line of command does. So we define our FBD tree. Like I said, this is a stochastic node that represents the tree topology as an FBD distribution. So here the function dn FBDP. And then we're going to attach to it all the parameters that we've previously defined. So the origin time, the speciation rate, the extinction rate, the fossilization rate, the extent sampling probability, and finally the taxa that are part of the tree, which is not a parameter but is used to define the labels that are attached to the tree. Now, since this tree topology is a stochastic node that we are going to estimate, again, we need moves for this node. And so we're going to set 4 moves in total. First, a move, the FNPR move, that is going to modify the topology of the tree. Then we're going to have a move that is specific to the FBD process, which is going to be the move that transforms a fossil sample into a sampled ancestor and back from a sampled ancestor, so switching between the sampled ancestor and the tip configuration for fossil. Then we're going to have a move that is going to change the times of the node. And finally, we'll have a move that is going to change the time at the root of the tree. And so you can see that here, for all of these moves, we've set higher weights than we have set for the previous moves that we set for the parameters. And so this is because the tree is, of course, a much more complicated object than the speciation rate or extinction rate. It's going to take a lot more proposals in order to mix properly. And so we're going to account for that by saying, okay, we're going to propose changes to our tree more often.